Hi guys, welcome to my tech space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related queries. Today we shall be discussing on how to create your own club in ClubHouse. Before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. Now let's start our topic without further ado. Firstly, launch your ClubHouse app on your device. Then tap on the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a profile picture. Now you'll be redirected to your profile page here. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom section of your screen right here. You will land on the new club page where you'll be asked to type in your club name. So you're gonna want to type your desired club name here. You'll be provided with some options here whether you don't want to be followed by your followers or not. By tapping on this option, you can gain followers in your club. Similarly, you can also add some permanent members who can start the room without your presence. You may want to choose wisely if you want to turn this feature on or not. And by tapping on the next option for privacy, you can choose whether to make your member list private, that is, if you don't want to share your member list to others. I've turned all the options on for now. Now let's go ahead and add topics. You can choose up to 3 topics to help others find and understand the club that you've just created. I'm gonna choose a few here: podcast, storytelling, and food and drinks topics. So after you're done choosing your topics, tap on the back icon at the top left corner of your screen here. It's now time to write some description about your club, giving some general information so that it will help your audience have an idea of what your club is about. I'm gonna make this short and sweet here. There you go with the description. Now you can add a photo that represents your club. It could be any fascinating logo or a photo which you think would grab the attention of your visitors. You can either take a photo or choose one from a gallery. I'd like to take a photo for now, so this will open your phone's camera and it will allow you to click a photo. You can recapture your photo if you don't like the picture you've just clicked by tapping on the retake button at the bottom left corner of your screen, or you can simply tap on the cross button on the bottom right corner to cancel it. Then, if you like the photo which you just clicked right now, you can go ahead and tap on the check button in the bottom midsection here. You will now be provided with an option to crop your photo if you'd like to readjust your photo, and tap on the crop icon in the top right corner. You can also choose an existing picture from your gallery instead of capturing a photo by clicking on Choose from Gallery and selecting your desired picture. I think we're ready to create our first club now. You can simply tap on the Create icon on the top right corner in the green font. You can add members in your club now, and you can invite as many people who follow you to the ClubHouse as you'd like by simply tapping on the green invite icon. After you're done with inviting your friends and followers, tap on Done icon placed on the top right corner of your screen. That's all there is to it, guys. Congratulations, you have just created your new club. You can now schedule your event at any time and your followers will be notified as soon as you create your room and start your conversation. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.